going to make the Za'atar seasoning because I used up my last Za'atar seasoning in the wholemeal bread and green olives with Za'atar on it. So I thought I'd share this with you because it's just such a lovely seasoning. And you take 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds and you pop it in, and it's going to roast this for 3 minutes. Right, so now what I've done is just added everything to the bowl that we need to add: oregano and sumac, ground cumin, salt, pepper, dried thyme, and then we put the lid on and we go for 10 seconds. And there we have, we just put it, transfer it into a sealable container. Kitchen smells delicious again as usual. And you have it to go. So you can add it to so many hummus. I always mention hummus because it is such a delicious dip, but there are many other dips and breads can be added to. Okay, so here is what it looks like, and it's you can still see the bits of sesame in there, but it just is lovely to put on things. It'll keep for a number of months in your store cupboard.